In many of my recent videos, I've been talking about why you need to get rich now or why you need to start earning a lot more right now. And a lot of people are confused. They don't really know where to start. And so in this video, I'm going to tell you guys about the 3 best apps that you could use and make some money online today. And these 3 apps will work anywhere in the world, and you can get paid anywhere from just a few $100s to a couple $1,000s. If you combined all 3 apps together, you can actually make some really good money here. Now, these aren't any of those scammy apps that are going to ask you to sign up and make a monthly payment or join a monthly subscription to find you new jobs or anything like that. These are just legit apps or websites where you can sign up for free. You can get paid, and again, these work in any country. So if you've been looking for a way to make some money online, regardless of whatever country you're in, stick around to the end of this video because I think you're going to be really interested in these 3 apps. Now, quick reminder before we get into all the details of these apps that can pay you online. If you're new to the channel, my name is Eann, and on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save your money, ways to invest your money. I talk about bank accounts, credit cards, and just about everything to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free, won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on, and that way you'll never miss any of the future updates of when I post new videos on this channel. Also, guys, if you ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. And with that said, let's jump right into today's video. Now, the first app I want to talk about is called UserTesting, and right off the bat, I'm going to tell you guys how much you can actually get paid here because that's the main reason why you're watching this video. So rewards from this app will range from $4 to $120 per test, depending on the test, of course. Now, you can make thousands of dollars from this app, but those earnings aren't really typical. So you'll always be able to earn between $4 to $120 per test. And they have a live conversation test or video conference calling test, which can pay you anywhere between $30 to $120, depending on the conversation and the test, of course. So the way this works is by you simply going to this website, usertesting.com, where you get paid to test. You apply, which means that you'll simply submit your email. You'll take a quick practice test. Then you answer some questions about yourself, and that way they can actually match you to the best test that you'll be able to do. And then the next step would be to provide insight on the products and services that they'll ask you about. And then for your time, you'll get paid around $4 for every 5-minute test. You'll also get $10 for every 20-minute test. And then again, you can get paid between $30 to $120 for live interviews. So even if you're getting the lowest paying jobs in here or you're doing the lowest paying test, you're still gonna make at least $4 per test. And again, these are 5-minute tests, so you're getting almost $1 per minute. And I think that's really good because that would mean that you're getting almost $60 per hour. Now, if you were to look for a traditional way of earning income, the normal job right now is going to pay you about $15 to $20 an hour. So this is still a good deal of money. Now, the only way to get paid here is by PayPal, but luckily for you, PayPal is free. If you don't already have a PayPal account, you can sign up, it's free, and you can also get a free PayPal debit card. So you can simply go to the ATM and withdraw cash when you get paid, or you can link your bank account to PayPal and have the funds deposited into your checking account. So it really doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can still sign up on this website, you can get the jobs, you can do the surveys or these tests, and you can get paid. Now, if you guys have more questions about this, you can actually go on the website and you can go to the frequently asked questions page. They have some of the most popular questions that people will always be asking. So you can come here and you can get some more info before you actually sign up and start making money. Now, that aside, I think this is a really good way for you to make some money this year. So you should definitely check this out. Now, while I'm talking about usertesting.com, I want to mention the second website or app that you can use to get paid. It's a similar type of website or app, but this one is actually called UserFeel. And the way this one works, by the way, it's worldwide as well, so you can actually sign up from any country, and this app actually supports 40 different languages, so you don't even have to speak English that well. And again, this is completely free. Now, this one pays a bit more or starts you off a bit higher because it pays you $10 per test. However, these tests will last between 10 and 20 minutes, and they do things a bit differently here. So if you want to learn about this, if this is something that you're actually interested in, you can go over to UserFeel and you can actually watch this short video, and it explains how everything works and how you can actually make money here. However, one thing that you need to know is that even though you can get paid $10 per test, there is no guarantee that you'll have a test to do every single day. So for example, they're not guaranteeing you that you're gonna have 50 tests to do every single day or 10 tests to do every single day. You may have 5 tests to do today, and then tomorrow you may have 1, and then the next day you may have none, and then again you may have 5 again the day after. So it's kind of like just going there every single day and seeing what's available, but there's no guarantee that you're actually going to find a specific number of tests every single day. And this is why I'm giving you guys 3 different options in this video, and that way you can combine all 3, and this way you can actually make some money every single day. Now, in addition to this, I'll be leaving links to these websites down below, so at the end of the video you can simply go down into the description, you can click on the links and sign up, and that will make it a lot easier for you. Now, the third app that I want to talk about is called Honeygain, and this app, while it doesn't pay as much as the first 2, this one really doesn't require you to do that much. You simply sign up, and by the way guys, if you're new to Honeygain and you sign up right now, you're actually gonna get $5 for free just for signing up right now. So be sure to go ahead and sign up just to get that free offer and take advantage of that. But you can actually download this app on your smartphone, and what they'll do is they'll run the app in the background, and the app is actually going to use your internet connection and the power of your smartphone to do price comparisons, web statistics, and these will help the businesses that support Honeygain, and then you'll get paid in the end. Now with Honeygain, you don't really have to do that much. All you need to do is to sign up, download the app, and it doesn't pay a whole lot, but it's still a way to make some money online. So for example, if you were to share 2 gigs of data for the entire month with the Honeygain network, you'd be making around $19 per month. Now, the more traffic you share, the higher your earnings will be. And again, this works in just about any country. So if you're looking for an easy way to make some money online, I'd definitely consider this one as well. Now, one tip I can give you guys if you want to make the most money right here is what you should do is you should download the app and have it running on multiple devices on the same network. So for example, if you have 2 cell phones, or if you have a cell phone and let's say an iPad or some type of tablet or some other device, then you'd have the app running on these multiple devices, and then that way you can share a lot more data, a lot more traffic, and that way your earnings will be significantly higher every single month. And again, you simply download the app, you install it, you forget about it, and you leave it running, and that way it makes you money every single month. Now, these are 3 apps that you can use. Really simple, really easy, really straightforward. There's no learning curve. You can just hop on, you can sign up and start making money right now. But as a bonus, I'm gonna give you guys a 4th one. And remember, if you like 1 or 2 of these apps, but they're just not giving you enough income, then you can sign up for all 3 or all 4 with the bonus one. And that way you can maximize your earnings. So the 4th bonus one here I'm gonna share is one that's called Money App, and as the name suggests, it helps you to make money online. Now, the way this works is that you complete as many tasks as you can once you download the app, and these tasks can range from watching videos, completing surveys, and doing a bunch of other things. And from time to time, they'll also have some tasks that are referred to as hot, and these will provide you with very high credits in this app. Now, you do get paid from credits in this app, and your credits are always going to be displayed at the top. And once you have enough credits, you can exchange this for cash. It'll send the funds to your PayPal account. And remember guys, if you don't already have PayPal, it's free. You can go there and sign up for free and get the debit card for free. And that way you can have access to your money at the ATM machine. So between these 3 or 4 apps, I think you should be able to make some money online. And with that said, if you guys know of any other cool or easy ways to make money online that you've tried and that actually work, you should definitely comment them down below so that anyone else that watches this video will be able to see these apps and will be able to use those strategies to make money online. And as always, I hope you guys make a lot of money. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll respond to your questions. And you guys can also message me on Instagram. I'm usually on there at least once per day. And with that said, all the best with making money, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.